Alright, I'm going to be a little bit ambitious tonight. I only get one shot at this, but this is the last piece of the mainline track on my layout, so I thought I would try to take a video of it and gluing it down. This could go really well or this could go really badly. So this may never see the light of day, but as you can see, there's one small piece of track left. Need just a little bit of caulk put down and then glue that into place and add in some pins, and the main line on my layout, and in fact all the trackage on my layout, will be in place and ready to complete wiring and start testing running trains. So just a little bit caulk, probably a little bit too much, and get the putty knife and smooth that as best as can. I only need glue in the areas where the ties are actually going to be touching. And in fact, as I smooth it, I'm probably losing what I need, but there, that will do nicely. And then we slide our last little piece of track into place. It has joiners on it, which I'm just going to gently work onto the rails that are already glued down. There's two. There's three. And that makes this the last connection. And done. Spread out the ties because they're a little bit close together, and then check everything's reasonably smooth and put in two push pins to hold it while that sets overnight, and it's done. Success! I have actually laid the entire trackage for Liberty Village in about a year and a half since we started construction.